Yeah. Brought me pretzel sticks that I can drizzle.
Oh man, the paint's flying off the hood.
Drizzle mustard on for him so that he can eat it while he drives.
Yeah.
He's lucky he's driving the whole time.
It's like oh man, it's like a bunch of stuff here.
Ooh, that looks good.
That looks good.
What'd you get?
I got the caramelizer.
What's this one?
Just a mocha.
Just a mocha.
Mocha yummy. You're the best.
Boring.
I ran after.
Russ is trying to juice Dutch Brothers.
No, that's
This
always.
is the second time we've been there. What did you
and
do?
they're partying in there again, just like the last one. It's like you're at Jeremiah's Ice or whatever in Orlando. Like they're just, yeah, what's up, Howard? Making on coffee, and they're just.
And what did you do?
There was a piece of cardboard blown away from the back where they had a bunch of it, and I ran out and stomped it and grabbed it and gave it to her, and the boss is like, give him a drink for free. And I'm like, okay.
Ross is juicing them. Thanks, Dutch Brothers. Traffic. It's trafficy. Is why we all have 5 separate water bottles, because this is Cole's. How in the world is there a big piece of bread in there? That's disgusting. We're in Washington,
I
and
can pump my own fuel. Oh yeah, they do. Look, they have a blue water stand there.
Gas.
I get to pump my own fuel again. I haven't pumped fuel in like over a month.
For you.
It's amazing.
So I think I've seen it all. There was a little espresso. Glasses are crooked. Espresso coffee drive-through shop, and it was called Peekaboo. And yep. Let your imagination run wild. We obviously didn't stop. We were just driving by. But yeah, way to go, Yakima. Stay classy. So the kids were craving to go to Cabela's. So we found a Cabela's here. So it's like $8.49. And we went grocery shopping, and we just got to the Cabela's, and I was asking her about parking overnight, which she said was fine. And then she proceeds to tell me that we needed to stay in the Airstream at night, and because she said, because this is Yakima. And I said, I'm sorry, what does that mean? Because I've never been here. And she said, well, downtown Yakima has gangs. Yeah. So, we're out of here. In the dark last night, we came over here, and she told us Site 5, which was pretty skinny. You can see how close we came to the rocks for the fire. We just figured that this was a site, and it was so dark we couldn't see. So we were down here. You can probably see our tire marks right there. We backed all the way back up, and he spun the trailer back around, and we wiggled back over here. So I don't think we got in until like probably what, 10:15, 10:30.
Yeah.
And mind you, while we're doing all this backing up and pulling around, Cole is screaming at the top of his lungs because he was like in a night terror. He had fallen asleep on the way here and he was in a night terror while we were trying to back up. So
And I had to have the windows down because I couldn't see.
and we had to have the windows down because we couldn't see. So I'm trying to guide Ross with my oh babe, we could have used that flare thing that Uncle Frankie gave us. Hopefully we won't do this again. We do not like, this is the what, third time we've done this in the dark? Terrible. And we've been warned by plenty of RVers that have been before us, but so yeah, so the windows were down. It was 10:30. Cole was screaming. Ross couldn't see where we were backing up. I couldn't.
Oh, then it was cold and windy, and the girls
Yeah, it
were
was
cold. So then I had
cold.
to crank the heat up. The heat makes a ton of noise. The blower fan, and I got, oh my gosh.
We couldn't hear anything. We couldn't see anything.
Uh-huh.
But you know what? We safely got here last night, and it was better than the possibility of, you know, running into any trouble in Yakima. So it was totally worth it, and God got us here safely. And it was pitch black. We're going through this beautiful pass through the mountains, so we're sure that this place is like gorgeous driving through. We couldn't see anything, and then we were worried about animals flying over across the road because it was just forest. It was pitch black. It was crazy. So hopefully we will say we are 3 and done, but you never know. We're the Ramseys. I'm sure we'll do it again, but we're safe, so we will see you at the next place. When your husband is out scouting an area, like he is right now, oh, my glasses are crooked again. How long do you wait before you go to search for him? Because I swear sometimes it feels like it's more than 30 minutes and he's still gone. I don't know how long I should wait until I check on him.
See?
Exactly.
That's what happened.
Get up.
Get
You're
up.
fine.
See what happens when you play around.
Like 2 times. Hi. I'm like 2 times. Hi.